It is always a pleasure to go up to the Blue Mountains National Park in Glenbrook. There's some really wonderful stuff, and so I was able to get right on the ground, up close and personal. I just decided to put the camera straight on the ground and have the cockatoos decide if they wanted to have some food and that. And so they stayed with me for a little while until the upcoming Sentinel alarm call scares them away. So watch for that coming up.
They don't like.
What I think is most interesting about the alarm call is I don't think it was some cockatoos that originated the call, but they do tend to listen to other bird species, and when other bird species alarm calls go, the cockatoos seem to listen.
Are they really leaving?